Wie bitte?
What was that?
They're Weasley's wildfire whiz-bangs. Fireworks from my brothers Fred and George.
Bilbois, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Claudette. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Ah, well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you since...
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cart.
But what are we talking about for? Let's get moving. Now, listen to me. The passage to your left will take you to a pair of lifts. The lifts will take you down to the cart station. There you will board a cart for the journey to the vaults beneath the Gringotts. We'll see you down there. You can clear off now. My patience is running thin.